has a thread in where the adapter can be installed.
Hello guys, and it's me again, Albert, and welcome to our bike talk. And for today's bike talk, we will talk about on how we can convert our regular bike brakes into a disc brake. If you are no longer satisfied with your current bike brakes and you want to have an upgrade with it, then this video is for you. Brakes are the most important parts of our bike. Why? It's because it allows us to take control of our speed. It also helps us to run slow or stopping our bike. Now, there are two things to consider in converting or changing your brake. Number one is the adapters. Number two is the frame. For adapters, we have here the two kinds of adapters. The first one is the adapters for the bike frame, which is this one. And for the second one is the adapter for the hubs and the disc brake itself. And this is how it looks like. So basically, this will be connected to the hubs and the disc brake. For the adapter, for the hubs and the disc, we have to ensure that the hubs that we are using has a thread. What I mean is that you have to check your hubs before you convert your brake to a disc brake. You must have this thread. So if you do not have this type of hubs, then the first thing to do is to replace it.
So this is how the hubs adapter installed in the thread of the hubs, and as you can see, the hubs has a thread in where the adapter can be installed. So it's very simple, guys. You will just insert the adapter. Next is the disc. The disc will be installed also to the adapter. Before we tighten this up, we have to ensure that the thread of our hubs is free from dust, dirt or sand to avoid of losing it. We have here the adapters for the clamp and for the caliper, and I will show you how we install this. The clamp will be installed in this position. This is the position of the adapter or the caliper holder. So this will be the result after we install the adapters and the brake caliper to the frame. As you can see, it's easy and very simple.
Now, how much will it cost converting your regular bike brake into a disc brake? Since I am here in the Philippines and we are using pesos, the total cost or the estimated cost is around 700 or less than 700. So for the disc brake, I use Ragusa. So Ragusa is only 550 to 600 pesos. And for the adapters for the disc brake and the hubs, this one, so this only costs less than 100. And for the adapters for the frame here, so this only costs less than 100 also. So this adapter is used to connect the disc brake caliper and the frame. Converting your regular bike brakes into a disc brake is simple as long as you have these two adapters, adapter for the hubs and the disc brake and the adapter for the frame and the disc brake caliper. And that's all, guys, for our today's bike talk, the conversion of regular brakes to disc brake. And if you find this video very helpful, just leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.